Hi, I'm Wayne Baxter, General Manager here at GMB Heavy Industries. We've been in the steel industry since 1981, and over the years, we built a solid reputation for delivering reliable equipment, smart engineering, and real-world solutions that mills count on every day. Our team works with mills across North America, providing everything from cooling beds and spare parts to custom equipment and full installations. Whether it's a brand new setup or modernizing what you've already got, we're here to help. At GMB, we're not a huge corporation. We're a tight, experienced team that's hands-on, responsive, and focused on getting the job done right. We know the steel industry inside and out. We understand how important it is to keep your operations running smoothly. That's why we take the time to listen, understand your plant, and build solutions that actually work for you. Thanks for checking us out. If you have any questions or challenges at your mill, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to be part of your next project. Thank you.